Hi and welcome to another short little video with Perfect Potion. Today I want to talk about mindful diffusing. Mindfulness is something that a lot of people use to strengthen their confidence, to deepen their breathing, to slow them down, to be more connected. Mindfulness has been used in lots of ways to enhance performance and to basically, the big thing about mindfulness is that it gives you a new appreciation for what you actually have. That mindfulness attitude can put meaning behind everything that you're doing and being in your life. So there's a lot of benefits to it. And we do a lot of things daily, our daily rituals that are so natural in our being. They're so part of what we do that they're almost on automatic pilot. They're just something that you get up, you do, you have a shower, you clean your teeth, and none of that is a really conscious action. It's very automatic. But mindfulness is when there's a definite intention behind things, so that makes it a different action and therefore has a different impact on you. I wanted to talk about different areas of mindfulness, but this video is focusing on mindful diffusing. So using a diffuser is something that I probably speak to my clients and they do most commonly. It's easiest to use. It has a wonderful impact. It can impact an entire environment, and it's very simple to use. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can do it every day, and anyone can do it. You don't have to have any special qualifications to use diffusing to benefit your life and enhance your environment. But what does mindful diffusing look like? So if I was to do it in the morning, I diffuse every day in my home and in my office. Doesn't matter sort of where I am, there's a diffuser going on in the background. And I would get up and I would literally go to my box of essential oils, or I have a little bag of essential oils in different parts of my house. I have them everywhere. And I would choose out an oil of how I wanted to feel. I'd turn my diffuser on, pop a few drops in, press go, and off I'd go. Now, that's perfectly fine. But if I wanted to do a more mindful activity, it's breaking down those parts and being super conscious of each step that you do. So to give you an example, I wanted to show you what we could do to practice more mindful diffusing. So you could come to your space in the morning and just go, yep, I'm going to turn my diffuser on. So it's about relaxing and being more conscious, finding your diffuser and grabbing it up, taking the lid off and watching as you do it, feeling the weight of the lid in your hand, being aware of the texture that it feels and the sound that it makes. So as you place it down, it's even listening to things like that. Then you come to the actual diffuser and you're lifting off the top, if it's a Perfect Potion one, you have a little top, and putting it down beside. I would even be mindful as you take it to the sink, or if you've got a cup of water to pour in, and just really being aware of the water coming into the diffuser, keeping a note of how high it should be filled, and really watching and listening to the water trickle in and fill that area. Then it comes to the actual choosing an essential oil part, and this is the part where you need to sort of sit back and take a little listen into your body. How do you want to feel today? How do you want to feel in this moment? Do you want to feel energized? Do you want to feel sleepy? Do you want to feel nourished? Do you want to feel focused? And you can think of all the different feelings that you would like to, that you can feel, and you can use essential oils to support you to do so. I, this morning, have thought I really want to feel energized but fresh, and I want to feel a bit light and a little bit of luxury. And so I've gone for Perfect Potions Spa Escape range, or essential oil blend. So this oil, it's a beautiful oil. It's got mandarin, mei chang, lavender, geranium, coriander, and ginger. So those oils, they help to invigorate me, but do it gently. It's such a beautiful blend. I really do love it. And the mindfulness activity here is choosing the oil, feeling the bottle in my hand. You know, can I feel an energy even? You know, is there something coming from the bottle for me when I hold it in my hand? I slowly open the lid and I smell the oil. It's just, I take a moment to really connect and go, oh yeah, this is going to help me. This is what I want. And then I come over and again, consciously watch as I put the drops of essential oil into the diffuser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I close the lid again, sealing this precious oil within the bottle and placing it down. As I sit here, I can smell the essential oil coming up still already without even turning the diffuser on. But I can see how the essential oil is dispersed along the top of the water. I watch it as it separates. This oil has an orangey colour to it, so I can see how it's sitting on top of the water, and I can see it floating and gently vibrating amongst it. And again, that's just a beautiful feeling of awareness of this energy that this oil has. Then I come and place the lid back on. I pick up the lid, the textured cover for the diffuser, and place it on gently. And then I turn on the light and I turn on the oil of the diffuser. And I watch as the diffuser starts, aware of the feeling that it's instantly giving me. There's such an instant gratification when it comes to diffusing oils, because you can get that feeling. And then I place it and thank it and breathe and go on with my day. I really encourage you to, the next time you go to use your diffuser, if you do use these steps, it's like a mini meditation. It's a reconnection and a reappreciation for what we have, and what you have in your presence, these beautiful essential oils. I hope this is something of interest. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you'd like to know more about, please feel free to contact us. I'd love to hear what it is that you'd like to know more about. And I hope you enjoy your mindful diffusing. Thanks. Bye.